So, guys, good afternoon to you all. I hope you all have had your food and then came over here. That also means that I don't want you guys to sleep, so I'll try to keep you guys engaged all the time. So basically, I take care of the whole QA team here at GeekyAnts. It's been only around a year. I joined GeekyAnts, and we've done a lot of work. A couple of things with respect to AI as well. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Um, So, I mean, before jumping into the topic, I would like to ask you guys question. Let me see how many of you can actually get it right. Um, what do you think the total number of devices which are currently in the market that is using AI? Any numbers? Um, numbers? No, across the globe. I said. So, sorry. I also thought it can be million, but the answer was by 2021 it was 4.2 billions, and by 2024 they are expecting it to twice the rate, which would be 8.4. So when we actually talk about AI powered devices, right, we are just not talking about the mobile phones. There are other things also that we don't, you know, uh, those devices that doesn't come under our mind that point of time when we talk about AI. Like, let's say Chat GPT, it's only laptop or mobile device. It's where that you use, nowhere else. But uh, crazy it is, guys. I mean, it's been used in so many different places, so many different ways. It just, I mean, I feel mind blown every single day when I see something new has been developed using ChatGPT or OpenAI or any LLM. Let's say. Okay, let's. How many of you guys remember this picture? Any idea? If you guys are really tech enthusiast, or I would say, if you guys really love AI, sorry. Yes. So this was the breakthrough, which was the first image which was generated with the text using DALI, right? Anyone knows the text which was written and this image was produced? An astronaut riding a horse on moon, and this was the result. So this is how it all started actually, and this was, I would say, I won't say that AI was not being implemented before that. It was there, but when this came out, because of this, everything just became viral. Everywhere it was chat gpt chat gpt AI, AI, AI. But people were not knowing what actually AI is, or let's say even today people don't understand the difference between AI and ML, right? I'll not get into it because I don't have time, obviously. This is a graph which shows the user acceptance rate. So let's say Google Translate. It took 78 months. That's months, right? To reach 100 million users. And you compare that with ChatGPT, 2 months. So uh, you can understand how it has evolved, or how people have accepted it over the period of time. How we started. So if you see 26th November, I was just having a random conversation with Sanket, who's our CEO. So he just asked me about AI. If you have worked on anything with respect to AI or GPT. I said, just because of previous image, I said, yeah, I have actually explored, because that point of time I did apply for the beta program, and luckily I got it through. But I never explored the coding or the other part. I always used to play around with the image, Gandhiji riding bike and stuff, and it used to produce images. So this was the start, and this also shows that I mean, I really admire Sanket on this part, that he's always ahead of time. And 20 6th was the date when we were talking, and 30th was the date when it was officially open to all. Oh, I mean, ChatGPT was made open to all, right? Uh, so as of now, what we have done using ChatGPT, there are multiple things, not just this. I'm just talking about the testing part, let's say, because I take care mostly the testing. So if a tester has to write test cases, then do the testing, then submit the test reports, it takes a lot of time. Uh, where we have already created a couple of things which automatically creates the test case, executes them, and then the last one that you are seeing, that's for load testing basically. This is already being implemented across our projects. So because of this, the delivery time has reduced a lot, and even the quality of the delivery has increased. There are test cases or scenarios which we never thought of, but ChatGPT gave us those ideas. Right. Now, what is our goal? Our vision. This is what our vision is, to take care of the whole uh, STLC to be automated. Right? People should come down to our platform. They should just explain us about their product and what all they need. So let it be security, performance, functional, non-functional, pen testing. Every single thing would be done automatically, and you will be getting the reports over your mail. So that's the goal. By the way, we are halfway through to it. In the previous slide, I did show you guys a couple of uh, images which has already been present, and we are already using it. And the goal or the target is in coming 3 months, it should be up and running. Our own product from the QA side. That, I mean, since I didn't had much time, so I had to wrap it up. That's conclusion part where people have been, I would say, having this question in their mind that ChatGPT will steal our job. Uh, I would say if people know how to make use of it, the quality of work will improve rather than getting our jobs lost. Right, the productivity that will improve. If you don't, I mean, if you can't cope up with the market, then definitely it's going to be a difficult thing for you guys. By the way, this is something which was written by ChatGPT, not me. All right, I guess that's pretty much from my side. Thank you so much, guys.